11 minutes the other night for Bandelj. 3 points at USF, and Bandelj international experience playing for the under-8 native. Last year averaged 7.5 points for Minnesota, where his academic all Big Ten selection. A strong move inside by the freshman Peter Bandelj.
Able to get to the basket. Now you see some and one potential, strong strength.
One shot for Bandelj. Talked about all the newcomers that Cal has. Cal Poly has 11 newcomers.
It's the luxury that Cal Poly
That's what
has.
Mark Madsen's trying to do.
Yeah, and now Mark Madsen has a little bit of a different challenge, but the good news is communicating. Those are things you have to correct, and you want to correct them as soon as possible.
One more for Bandelj. To the last 5 against Cal Poly every time these two teams have hooked up.